R naught F dash will be R naught F parallel to RL. You can even memorize this equation because you can see till here it is R naught F parallel to RL. So effectively both the resistance R naught F and RL are going to be in parallel. So R naught F dash equal to R naught F parallel to RL. So R naught F expression substitute it here. So I R1 parallel to R2 formula R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, substitute the formula for R naught F, take LCM and simplify. So you will be getting this expression. The simplification and all I am not going to explain. It is taking LCM, taking out common terms and all. You are very familiar with that. So I am not going to deal with the simplification of the expression. Just you should clearly write what is R naught F dash. Remember R naught F dash is going to be always R naught F parallel to RL. So this will be your simplified expression for R naught F dash. So R naught F dash will be equal to R naught dash into 1 plus beta G small m divided by 1 plus beta G capital M, where R naught dash GM and all we know. The relationship is given here. So remember, theoretically, we are proposing the status of input impedance and output impedance for a particular amplifier, and practically from the circuit theory, we are proving that what we said in theory and what we see in circuit theory are same. So there we said input impedance is increasing. Yes, input impedance is increasing. We said output impedance is also increasing. Yes, output impedance is also increasing in a current series feedback amplifier. So any queries so far, please you can put forth your queries. See, we are seeing the same procedure again and again. So drawing the circuit diagram, finding in applying KVL at the input side, finding RIF, applying KVL at the output side, finding R naught F. Additionally, we are finding one more thing, R naught F dash. Additionally, we are finding one more thing, R naught F dash. Any queries, you can please ask about current series amplifier. Oh, please don't hesitate to ask even if your query is silly. These things should be very, very clearly understood. Because when you study, the next topic will be example of each type of amplifier. There we'll be drawing the H parameter model, we'll be applying KVL, KCL. That time you should not feel the difficulty. So please understand these, and any doubts, please ask when the time is provided to you. Okay, so assuming that you don't have any queries,